Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility and freeing space. This avoids install failures. Next, enable developer mode or allow unknown sources because CX File Explorer VR may require sideloading. Once done, sign into your headset account and connect a PC via USB or set up wireless ADB. Make sure ADB recognizes the device with a single command. If it doesn't, reboot the headset and retry, so you can proceed to transfer or install the app package. You now install the app using the method you prepared. If using ADB, run a db install R and target the APK path. This replaces older versions safely. If using SideQuest or a store, follow its install prompts. Once installed, open the app icon in your headset library and immediately grant storage and overlay permissions so CX can access files and show UI in VR. Make sure to accept all permission dialogues. Without them, the file browser won't function correctly. You finish by configuring the app. Pick your default directory and calibrate input mapping so navigation feels natural. Then test basic tasks like browsing, opening, copying, and streaming a small media file to confirm permissions and performance. If something goes wrong, take one troubleshooting action at a time. Clear the app data, reinstall the APK, and inspect ADB logs for install or runtime errors. If logs show permission denials, regrant storage access in headset settings and relaunch the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.